Starting around 05 November 2023, Theta organization certainly is exchanging at 80 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.4% in most recent 60 minutes, which is genuinely critical. Theta sort of has a genuinely complete market cap of $795,052,471, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $14,215,991, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. This really makes Theta organization, Theta, by and large positioning at 55 in the digital currency market, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. On the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the Theta organization cost expectation end of 2023, what will Theta organization in every practical sense be in every way that really matters, worth in 2023 in a truly significant way? Is Theta organization in every practical sense wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking? Will Theta cost basically outperform its unequaled height, which in every way that really matters is very huge? These basically are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future, which generally is genuinely huge. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2023, as per the Theta organization figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Theta cost in every practical sense is supposed to cross a for the most part normal value level of 91 cents. The normal fundamentally least value worth of Theta organization toward the finish of the extremely current year ought to be 87 cents in a by and large significant manner. Besides, Theta can especially arrive at a greatest value level of 99 cents in every practical sense, significant way. Theta value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Theta organization explicitly is estimated to by and large be at around an essentially least worth of 73 cents in a kind of significant manner. The Theta organization value worth can arrive at an especially limit of 82 cents, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of 80 cents in United States dollars, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Theta organization value expectation September 2023. Theta organization value sort of is supposed to reach between 79 cents to 86 cents in September 2023. While the sort of typical cost of Theta for the September truly remains around 82 cents. Theta organization, Theta, value figure October 2023. The Theta organization, Theta, cost for October 2023 may basically arrive at a by and large least worth of 81 cents, while the by and large greatest gauge cost certainly is around 90 cents, which basically shows that this for the most part makes Theta organization, Theta, by and large positioning at 55 in the digital currency market in a significant way. The typical cost for Theta generally is anticipated to in every practical sense reach 84 cents in October 2023, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Theta value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Theta organization is determined to in a real sense be at around a truly least worth of 84 cents, which in every practical sense shows that starting around 05 November 2023 Theta organization by and large is exchanging at 80 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.4% in truly most recent 60 minutes. Which especially is very huge. The Theta organization value worth can generally arrive at a truly limit of 95 cents, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of 87 cents in United States dollars, sort of additional appearance. How might Theta cost really outperform its record-breaking high, or so they sort of thought. Theta organization, Theta, value gauge December 2023. The Theta organization, Theta, cost for December 2023 may fundamentally arrive at in every way that really matters, least worth of 87 cents, while the greatest determined value sort of is around 99 cents, so these most certainly are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. The especially normal cost for Theta for the most part is anticipated to sort of reach 91 cents in December 2023, or so they thought. Theta organization truly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Theta network's cost in a real sense has shown in all things considered. Great increment of 4.6% in the truly most recent 24 hours in a fundamentally huge manner. From by and large most recent 7 days, the Theta certainly was in kind of good vertical pattern and expanded by 18.41%, or so they for the most part thought. Theta organization explicitly has shown extremely kind of solid certainly potential of late, and this could be fundamentally great chance to dive right in and for the most part put resources into a by and large significant way for the most part. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Theta diminished by 31.343%, disposing of an incredible certainly normal amount of 36 cents from its ongoing worth, which certainly is genuinely huge. This unexpected down in a real sense implies that the coin in every way that really matters is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be a generally excellent basically purchase a potential open door for kind of fast venture, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The 90 days cost change especially is near 24.57%, and the cost especially coursed from a sort of least most certainly normal cost of 97 cents to especially greatest kind of normal cost of $1.06 in the very beyond 90 days in an especially significant manner. In every way that really matters, most recent 4 months Theta organization for the most part has shown a developing pattern. Consequently, we basically imagine that comparative pieces of the market for the most part were very famous at that period, which is very huge. As indicated by the scarcely the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Theta organization in a real sense is expanded from 4 months, which in every way that really matters is very huge. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost, exhibiting that the very normal cost for Theta sort of is generally anticipated to in every practical sense reach 84 cents in October 2023 in a huge way. The coin certainly is up by 5.16%, with the greatest typical cost of the coin in every practical sense was around 78 cents, and the very least genuinely normal cost of basically was around 76 cents in sort of beyond 4 months, which basically is very huge. Theta Organization Value Conjecture 2023 Facts. What will really be Theta Organization truly worth in 2023, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking? The Theta cost certainly is determined to explicitly arrive at a very greatest degree of 99 cents, with pretty least cost of 87 cents, toward the finish of 2023, exhibiting how Theta Organization fundamentally passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Theta network's cost essentially has shown great increment of 4.6% in the fundamentally most recent 24 hours, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Does Theta organize for the most part have a future? As far as value, Theta Organization explicitly has a remarkable genuinely potential to arrive at new levels, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking most certainly. It really is figure that Theta will increment in esteem, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. As per quite certain specialists and business examiners, Theta Organization can truly raise a ruckus around town, much the greatest cost of $4.47 till 2030. Exhibiting how starting around 05 November 2023 Theta Organization generally is exchanging at 80 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.4% in very most recent 60 minutes, which generally is genuinely critical. Is Theta Organization most certainly